Why is it so blurry? I don't know why it's so blurry. There we go.
Alright folks, how you doing?
Wait for it. Whoa, high gear. Oh boy, now they're really going now. This is how we move the quads into the shop. Woo! Kids are having a good old time. How does Pete come up with this? Was that like a high throttle experience?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really don't get what's so funny.
Honey, you're just a hungry, grumpy boy.
Right.
So that's why I got you dinner in the house. Come and eat.
Yeah, you gotta take the front leg off of the box.
Oh, the shop is so beautiful. Doo-da, doo-da. Such a beautiful shop. Oh, doo-da day. Oh, doo-da day. Oh, doo-da dum. Trailer full of garbage. Oh, so fun. I like your shop. It's so nice. Ouch. Say bye.
Bye.